Hi guys, Keith with Life Hacks for Seniors with Keith, back again with a little video on some things. I thought after I did a couple of my exercise videos, people asked about what I was using for supplements, and so I thought I'd share that with you quickly today. So here's a few of the things that I make in my protein shake each day, trying to keep building muscle and losing weight with all of what I'm doing. And so I use Naked Egg. It's a great source of egg protein, which is really good for you, and it's easy for your body to digest and absorb. Put a couple of spoonfuls of that into a morning shake. Um, I put this in my coffee, which is MCT oil. It's bulletproof. Um, you can get bulletproof coffee too, but this is the name brand for that, and I use MCT oil, which is essentially coconut oil, um, and it's for good energy and for fat burning. I use resveratrol, which is good for the heart. Put in 2 capfuls. That's why it's such a mess. It always drips a little. And this is good for the heart. You put in 2 tablespoons of this with each of my protein shakes. And then just recently, my cardiologist told me that I could use super beets again. And so the current one that I've got is by Factor, and it's called Total Beets. Beets are really good for expanding your blood vessels and generating nitric oxide, which helps you breathe better. Since I work at Winter Park and I'm up to 10, 11, 12,000 feet each time I go up, this helps me get more oxygen while I'm up there. This is also really good for energy during the day, keeps you going. Next is creatine. I use the Thorne product for creatine. It's a great source of for muscle building and for fat loss. And they say that there's so much new knowledge starting to be gained about creatine. It's been around forever, but now they're starting to find out that it really does do a lot for seniors. In fact, the instructions on this says 5 grams a day. I've been watching videos on YouTube that are saying up to 20 grams a day. Next is my Amazing Grass Super Greens. I don't eat enough greens. I know I don't. I'm supposed to eat my broccoli and my leafy greens and all that stuff every day, but I forget, and I don't like to always make salads. So I use this as a replacement. And you just put a scoop of this in, and it's just what it says. It's ground up vegetables, and it's in the green form. And so that's how I get my veggies, is in a powder. Next is collagen peptides. This is good for skin, hair, if I had any. Collagen does a lot of really good things for you. And you put 2 scoops of this in. It's good for hair, skin, nails, joints. Since I've had both my knees replaced and my shoulders are kind of bugging me a little bit from weightlifting, this is what I'm hoping will continue to keep everything in good shape. And last is Naked L-glutamine. This is a good product. They've been around for a long time. Glutamine helps you recover from working out. If I go for a day of skiing and I come home, my legs are tired from being on my skis all day or on my feet walking at the base of Winter Park, this is a way to be able to get the recovery. It's a lot like we talked about with my vibration plate, how it helps do the lymphatic drainage. And over time, it's not something that happens right away. It's something that builds up that your body has to get used to. But the L-glutamine is almost instantaneous. It gets into your system and it helps force out the toxins. So it's good for recovery. Now, I got a whole door of vitamins that I take because I've been a big vitamin believer since I got home from Vietnam. And I've been taking different kinds for different phases of my life for what I need at the time. Some things have dropped off. I've added a whole bunch of new ones. I have a different batch I take in the morning than I do in the afternoon. And I'll do that in a video when I feel like I've got the right disclaimer at the front of the video for you so that you don't sue me for taking something that you shouldn't. Always consult your doctor. With any of the stuff I've shared with you today, always share it with your doctor first before you take it. I have, and it's good for me at this point in my time in life. My doctor's given me a thumbs up to be able to do all of it. So anyway, Life Hacks for Seniors with Keith. Hope you have a good day. It's a Saturday. The sun's shining. It's gorgeous, cold here in Denver, but get out and enjoy yourself and get some vitamin D, okay? Take care, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.